how do you generate hooks?
So the first thing is the visual. When I'm making a hook, I just like keep drawing and sketching or like even just imagining until something just clicks. I try to make it as concise as possible, and then I'll put it in a readability checker and then make sure that it's actually like understandable to at least like fifth grade or under.
And you want to be a fifth grader under?
Fifth grade or under, yeah.
Have you played around with things that are older than that and seen that that's the level that it should be at? Or how did you arrive at fifth grade?
Yeah, so I have analyzed thousands of shorts, as you may know. So I've like scraped, the scripts of a bunch of shorts, and I've put it in this readability checker. And I've noticed that the most popular shorts, especially Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast is one of the best shorts creators, and his is like in first grade level. So I just basically like after scraping everything, that's when I realized like fifth grade and under is like about the range you want to be at. Yeah, I think, that's just